Hello all. In this video I would like to give you a brief intro about how can we improve the diagrams that we use in the thesis or in the reports to a professional level. So these are the very complicated diagrams that can be easily draw used by using a software called Visio. Visio. So this is called Microsoft Visio. This one we are going to review about this now. So to go with it, I have already installed my Visio in my software. You just go with the Windows by pressing Windows button, then go to Visio. So you will be notified with the app Microsoft Visio. Double click on it and you will be notified with it. So basically, if you want to draw a simple electrical circuit, say basically RLC circuit, first you go for file and you can take a new diagram. Okay, in the new you can go for a new drawing. In the new drawing you will be notified with the screen. So let me take it is as good as our Windows Word version, so you'll be easily able to get everything. And let me maximize the screen to 100%. So this you generally prefer the grid. Grid will be useful for you to draw the circuits very easily. Now if you want to draw the basic circuits, like you can press this button, shapes. Okay, shapes, this folder, and go to Visio's extras. First of all, we'll take the small connectors. Everything it is having. Let me take an example of connectors, and then I would like to draw electrical engineering perspective. So I will go to shapes again and I will draw Visio extras, and then I'll go for engineering. I have different types of engineering: electrical, mechanical, process. So whatever I want to draw for engineering, that to electrical engineering. So I'll take the fundamental items. In the fundamental items, basically if I want to draw a DC source, you can take a DC source directly here, plus minus DC source, and you can increase it, you can decrease it by dragging, just on dragging it you can decrease and increase. Now see, this is the DC source. Now if you want to have a resistance with it, you could drag the resistance from here and increase the resistance value also. So you can place on exactly where you want to put it exactly. So you can by using up and down arrows you can put it. Now let us put exactly this one where we want to keep it on the lines. After that we want to connect the lines. So go to connectors. There are so many types of connectors. I'll just take an example of line connector, and I'll take it here, and then another line here, I'll take it here. So then you can connect here. Either way you can just connect from like this. Press the shift button so that you will be exactly notified with exactly where are you. So then you can put the line here, and then you can put, so exactly you can notify that. So and then you can directly close the circuit. So sometimes what happens, this whether you have drawn this perfectly or not, and even you can go to high resolution zoom, so you can see that there are some variations that are there. Means it is slightly increased, this is slightly decreased. So all these things you can connect by making zoom it properly. So now it looks like everything is fitted properly. Now I'll go back to my original 100% position. After that, if I want to make sure that the direction of the arrow, I can either by using this arrow I can make sure the direction is happening, or I can go with a different, I can take a line here, and this line can be notified with the direction. Here you can see this is the one, you can notify the direction, and you can increase the width of the line by using this, and you can change the color by using this. So that is how, and you can select the entire system, and you can change the color of this one also. And if you want to fill this pin with, you can even fill that. So that is up to us, how can we design. If we know basically this system, entire thing we can know. Now if you want to bold it, for this line, say bottom line, you select it, you may bold it. And if you want to make some sort of dotted arrow, so you can take the dots here, or you can go for so many dots, small dots, or if you want you can go for the small dots. That is how you can make your own diagram. After that, if you want to write anything here, Just go to insert, take a text box and write. It is simple resistive circuit. So here you can get a simple resistive circuit. So I mean, you can make the bold it here, you can change the Times New Roman font, and you can change it to size of the font, and you can change the color of the font and box line, and you can change the color of the font even then. So everything you can able to do. If you want to remove the box, you can no line, you can put it. This is simple resistive circuit. And one important thing is, even you can put the equations also.